Hi, my name's Mark. I'm from Bussinger Automotive, and I want to talk about oil changes for your vehicle. Oil change is one of the most important aspects of vehicle maintenance. It's crucial to have your oil change done at regular intervals, depending on the type of oil that's in it in the vehicle, anywhere from 3,000 miles up to 5 to 7,500 miles. But it is important to have it done on a regular basis. Oil's the lifeblood of the engine, and it needs to be changed on a regular basis to get all the dirt and sediment out of the engine and new into it.